Somebody's crying polo. Somebody's crying polo.
Oh, nice.
Yay! So guys, the way I told you guys, I'm actually preparing to look here. I pray to the passion. So guys, I actually how many things are you? So guys, food is ready. Everyone is so busy. We want to start the mukbang right now. We just want to eat, and that's just it. Do you have anything to say? Yes, I have something to say. So I'm still enjoying my stay. I'm trying to just catch up with everybody. Last days. My exam is amazing. Why do my mouth now? So over to the food. Yeah, so let me show you guys what is going on here. Everyone is doing like, can you see? She's portioning the meal. Who they cry? No. I think they are the same. I saw. In the way you want to talk on next. At the end, you can laugh it out. You won't finish you. Oh, okay. Okay. So, guys, we're actually doing the prep man the thumbnail, man. For now, wow.
I want to do my own.
Wait, can we first this is the one that they do thumbnail? Bet y'all know. Uncle. No man, I don't come back. I bet the car was on your mother. Guys, this is the struggle for thumbnail. You don't say I'm now. You need to say if you're not strong, they will push you out. This is the struggle for thumbnail. But grandma, can I do a test? Because I need to test and tell your people what you really did. You test later. You send them out. You test your own. No? Very good. You need to test one specially. Where is Nina? So put plenty. Put it for Nina. Because Nina works hard. I worked hard too. Excuse you. Nina works really hard. This is the Nina that they say worked hard though.
No, make I do thumbnail.
I'm not.
What? The onions and them.
Just bring the plate and something. Grandma, city girl say she not put for her. She don't want onion. So this is just
do my own thumbnail
because this thing is very.
You send me the video, Nashedi.
So
now you know.
You send me.
Now you know.
Yes. My battery is.
So here is my food. Here is Jenny's. Who thought that's nice? It's too small. That take the.
Will you go around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This is the small thing that they gave to me. I see you guys with a fabulous. So guys, this is my own meal. Very small rice, and then with plantain, porridge plantain, and then Isi Ewu. That's what we all here would be eating. Grandma's finished portioning for everyone. Look at Nelly with her own chems. We are all waiting for Grandma because we'll be filming a mukbang for Grandma's channel. Yay! So this is the food. This is the meal. It looks so yummy, right? Yes, I know.
Oh yeah.
She said she loves me.
Mama, don't eat. Wait. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here having mukbang. So come and join us as we are going to have a mukbang. Now, what we have for Our mukbang is white rice, porridge plantain, and Isi Ewu. You can imagine how the combination is going to be. So guys, if you are interested, please come and join us. I'm here with my beautiful people.
Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome to Grandma's channel. My name is Jenny and I'm Grandma's last child.
Okay now.
Hi guys, welcome back to Grandma's channel.
Nelly.
I'm Kimini. And you are
Grandma's second daughter.
Hi guys, I'm already eating. Named Jonas. So subscribe to my channel, Nelly's World.
Abi.
Hello everyone, I'm Real Victoria Zion and this is Grandma's channel.
Tell my people, hi guys, welcome to Mommy's channel.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome to
Look at them.
Say
it.
hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to Mommy's channel. Say it.
Hi guys, welcome to my Mommy's channel.
Good. So what did you tell them? You are telling them to come and join us and eat.
Yes.
So guys, please come and join us. Nelly,
Yeah.
you are going to tell us the few days you have left us. How did you feel?
Okay guys, like I said earlier, I've missed you and I've missed Grandma's family, everybody in general. I've missed everybody and I've gotten to know Victoria as well, so it's actually a good thing. And I've missed this food, Grandma's food. I'm glad I came back today so that this one will not be a story.
If not, it would have been a story.
I'm telling you.
So Vicky, how are you enjoying us?
Let's say I'm enjoying well. I'm enjoying. That's all I can say.
Please, louder.
I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying Grandma's family as a whole. Spending time with them. I'm enjoying it.
So guys, if you all are following, this is Jenny. You can see where she posted meet and greet with Grandma Gifts, right?
Yeah.
So guys, we are all expecting all of you to be there on the 1st of May. It's going to be a blast. Like, we're going to just have fun and get to know each other, and also to give you guys some little tutorials that we can to help people that wants to start up a YouTube channel. So that's how it's going to be. And we're going to have some games and the rest of them.
course,
So
it's going to be so much fun.
Yeah, it's
if you
gonna
want
be
to
fun.
see Grandma Gifts live and direct, just find your way to
Make a date with us at
Christmas
Christmas
village.
village.
Yeah.
In New York, Akwa Ibom State.
Yes.
Nigeria.
On the 1st
Africa.
of May. The time, everything is on the flyer. You can check Grandma's channel or my channel, my community, or Grandma's community. You see there. Thanks everyone for there. You can also check in Kansas community and also Lena's community. It's there. I didn't remain.
Check my community too.
You would have been angry with yourself. But you get luck. Oh. Who told you to come back today?
Now God.
It's really God.
So nice.
So guys, this delicious food that we are eating, I'm going to drop the link below. So you can go there and check out how we prepare this food.
Of course.
It's so tasty and delicious. Yeah, I'm sure you enjoy this mukbang. Once in a while, it's good you have a mukbang with your family, with your guests, with your children, friends. Just let them feel happy. I love being happy. That is why whoever comes to me, I like making that person to be happy. Because if the people around you are happy, you will be equally happy. Yes. So the key to long life is happiness. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, thumbs up, and also share. Today's post notification shout out goes to For you to end post notification shout out, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notification when you subscribe, so that you'll be notified on time. Also be the first to comment. That's just the criteria. Be the first to comment and get a shout out in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye. Come on, say bye.
Bye.
See them, say bye.